Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Pepperstone to TradingView. First, ensure you have active accounts with both platforms. This powerful integration allows you to trade directly from TradingView's advanced charts, offering a seamless experience. You will need your Pepperstone login details handy to begin the process, which typically takes only a few minutes to complete. This setup enhances your trading efficiency significantly. To connect, log into your TradingView account and open any chart. At the bottom of your screen, you will find the trading panel. Click on this panel, and a list of supported brokers will appear. Scroll down and select Pepperstone from this list. You will then be prompted to enter your Pepperstone account credentials, including your username and password, to authorize the connection securely. Once you have entered your Pepperstone credentials, the trading panel will update to show your connection status. Look for a green indicator or a clear message stating connected to confirm success. If you encounter any issues, first double-check your login details for accuracy. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, simply refreshing the page or trying again after a few moments resolves minor glitches. With your accounts linked, you can now place buy or sell orders directly from TradingView's charts. This integration allows you to leverage over 100 advanced charting tools and indicators for your analysis. You can also monitor your open positions, manage pending orders, and view your account balance all within the TradingView interface. This streamlined workflow saves valuable time and enhances your overall trading strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.